Hey YouTube, hey, quick review about the FSLabs gimbal cap clamp for the DJI Spark. You know, I love the Spark. I love how small it is. I wish the battery time was a little longer, it would last a little longer, but it's so compact. And this case it comes with, the factory case, it's fantastic. And you'll see that the FSLabs gimbal clamp, when placed on, makes it so that it still fits in the case. I bought the clamp off Amazon for $5.99. Got to me in a couple of days. I read some kooky reviews about it where people were like, hey, it makes it so that the camera doesn't take as good video when you fly it. Well, it's not made for flying. It's made just to protect the gimbal because, as we know, those of us who have Sparks know, when the Spark is just, when you're just holding it, I mean, the camera is kind of loosey-goosey, see? But when you put this clamp on it, which just kind of firmly fits and snugs on it, it makes it so you can put it in your pocket. So I just fitted the clamp back on here. It just presses on, and with it, I mean, I have one of these REI Gore-Tex jackets, and it has one of those chest pouches, and it totally fits in this chest pouch. So, I mean, the idea that you can put a drone that shoots 1080p in your pocket and then control it with your iPhone. Talk about innocuous. I mean, that's crazy. One more thing to show you. Hold on. So with it pulled off, you can see that it just really kind of presses on there. I think what it's using is the top sensor, this plastic here, to really help it to secure and seal. But see, there's this little plastic ledge which separates the sensor from the camera and holds that the camera secure, and of course protects the lens of the camera too. I mean, we'll have to see what the longevity of this thing is, but initially this suits the role because as small as this guy is, the camera case draws attention if you take it to a park, but this, you can just pull it out of your pocket. Pull it out of your pocket and take this off. I do not think the drone is designed to be flown with this, and people who complain that it doesn't look good when flying with this on, I think are dumb. So there you go. All right, make it a great day. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.